So I collaborated with a few companies for this project, guys, so let's just take a quick second and go through all the stuff we're going to use. First up is a set of short tube headers from a company called Flashark. These are for the 01 through 04 Sequoias and Tundras, so the non-VVTi versions, but I have an idea on how to make it work with my 2006. Next, we have a Flowmaster 50 style muffler with a 2.5-inch inlet and outlet, significantly smaller than my current muffler, and it should sound pretty good too. And last up from Flashark is this 2.5-inch 8-piece custom exhaust kit. Comes with two 4-foot sections, two 45-degree bends, two 90-degree bends, and two 180s made of aluminum plated iron. It's a lot easier with two people doing this thing though. Now I'm cutting the tailpipe. These Dynavox and Flashark exhaust kits, you can't beat them, especially if you're new to exhaust, you've never really done it before and you don't have a mandrel bender. I do want to put one more support from here to the frame. But man, I'm trying like hell to move this thing and I can't. Next, I'll show you how I ran my wiring for the cutout switches.